Alright, so this was what I thought was maybe one of the easier ways a beginner could try to play this song. Before we get started, please hit the like and subscribe button so I can keep making these videos for you all. I got a lot of ninja watchers and that's cool, but it doesn't help my channel much if nobody's subscribed. So, with that guilt trip, let's go ahead and get started. So all I did for tuning was, it's just standard tuning except for the G. Okay, now with the G, I just dropped the G down a half step. All right, so if you want to do that, what you do is just set your index finger on the 4th fret of the D, and you pluck that note, and you match it up to your G. Now, normally your G would be there. Okay, so all I did was take index finger, 4th fret of D, and drop it down to the same pitch. Alright, drop it to the same pitch as that 4th fret of the D. Then you're going to start with a very simple chord. You're going to take your index finger, set it on the 5th fret of the A, ring finger 7th fret of the low E. And I like to use my thumb to pluck the E, my index finger to pluck the A, and my ring finger to pluck the G. So you're going to do that 2 times. Then you're going to go back to E, and then back to A. So you've got then you repeat that whole cycle again. Now we're going to go to the next chord. You're going to set your index finger 3rd fret of the low E, ring finger 5th fret of the A. So your index finger was on 5th fret of the A, but now your ring finger is going to be on 5th fret of the A. So we're doing that exact same plucking pattern. Alright. Now for this next chord, you leave your ring finger on 5th fret of the A, but you're going to add your middle finger on 5th fret of the low E. Same exact plucking pattern. Alright, and then for the final chord, you just lift your middle finger off so that the low E string is now open, and the only finger left is that ring finger on the 5th fret of the A string. Same exact plucking pattern. And it repeats that for quite a while. You might hear him play that for quite a while, keep looping that progression for a while, and then he comes to an abrupt stop, I believe, once he gets down to that last chord. Something like that. Alright. Then later on in the song you'll hear another progression, a strum pattern. So what I'm doing there, same intro chord, index finger 5th fret of the A, ring finger 7th fret of the E. And you just basically let all the strings, the D through the high E, ring openly in your strum pattern. And I'm just using my hand, my fingernails. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. So one more time. So that again was down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now we got to go to the next chord. Now this next chord, it's very similar to the intro finger picking chord. Your index finger's 3rd fret of E, ring finger 5th fret of A, but you're going to add your middle finger here on 4th fret of the D. So now the G through high E are ringing open. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Right? Okay. Now the next chord, again, we're still following that outline we did for the finger picking, but we're just playing, just adding just a slightly different voicing. So you leave that middle finger where it is on that 4th fret of the D. Now you're going to hop your ring finger up to 5th fret of the low E, pinky 5th fret of the A. All right. Again, same strum pattern. All right, now for the last chord, all you do is lift your ring finger off now. So E should be open. Your pinky will be set down still on that 5th fret of the A. Middle finger still on 4th fret of the D. And the G through high E open again. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So you put all that together. All right, so that should be the 2 riffs you need for this song. I hope this lesson was helpful for you. Hit the like and subscribe on the way out, and I will see you on the next video.